Let's learn animals. Lion. This is a lion. Tiger. This is a tiger. Zebra. This is a zebra. Giraffe. This is a giraffe. Elephant. This is an elephant. Monkey. This is a monkey. Gorilla. This is a gorilla. Kangaroo. This is a kangaroo. Ostrich. This is an ostrich. Koala. This is a koala. Panda. This is a panda. Fox. This is a fox. Wolf. This is a wolf. Deer. This is a deer. Hippo. This is a hippo. Hyena. This is a hyena. Thanks for watching.